G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. This is August the 10th, 2023. This is the crude oil, the US crude oil price update. This is the daily chart. You'll notice here it's broken up since our last video. It's broken up through this minor resistance at 82.21 and then finally broke through this major resistance at 83.40. Now there will be a new resistance forming up there, and I'll change that basically from that level there up to there. And we're going to keep that minor resistance there just for the moment. The CCI is still in a pretty strong uptrend, no real sign of a retrace on the daily. And you'll notice the stochastic is starting to flatten out and approaching the midpoint, but it's still in the oversold territory down there. Now on the daily, you'll notice since our last video here, it was fluctuating around this minor resistance at 82.21, and then it finally broke up through our major resistance, which we've moved to that new resistance there. Now you'll notice here the CCI is showing a divergence, and it's starting to break to the downside versus the price. That is a divergence, and we're going to expect it to possibly break to the downside. Now from there we'll place a Fibonacci target level between that range, and we're going to set a target at that 23% to the 38% level of that range there. Now the stochastic is also in the overbought territory, but no real sign of a retrace yet. So this is the main indicator we're looking at, the CCI, and we expect it, if it's going to continue, we expect it to break to the downside, and likewise the price also to break and probably hit this at least a 23% level. Now for this divergence to fail, as I always say, we need to see the CCI break to the upside higher than that point there. So that'll be something we'll look out for in the coming days. So to understand and get more insight in terms of trading the trend or some divergence strategies, subscribe to my Patreon page to support us more. We also do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.